playing for a member of our studio audience. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome a gentleman who's played Scotty in the series Star Trek. He's in the new film called Star Trek, Mr. James Doohan. James, come on out here. Hi, James. How are you? Good to see you. Hey, I gotta say, you were in the series for how long? How many years?
3 years.
3 years. And they just made a film out of Star Trek?
That's right.
A motion picture?
Right.
When is that going to be released, James?
December the 7th, this year.
This year, huh?
And every English-speaking country of the world, including this one.
Uh-huh. Hey, I know you got a lot of fans who watch everybody out here watch Star Trek, right? Fantastic show. I know that.
You know, unfortunately, they don't really believe I'm Scotty unless I use the Scotty side.
Well, that's all. Talk like that.
You know, I'll talk like that whenever I feel like it, but usually only when I get paid for it, you know.
Okay, James, listen. You're going to play for somebody in the studio audience. They've all filled out cards. I'm going to ask Rick. Would you bring over the box for us and let James pick out a name for us? Reach right in here, James. Pick out a name. We'll play for that person. Get right in there.
Well, there's that one.
Let me see. Here we go. That one right there. Okay, Muriel Martinez. Muriel, where are you? Muriel! Oh, there she is. Hey, nice lady. Yeah, very pretty. George is very pretty. Yes, very nice. You know, how are you, Muriel? Where are you from, darling? Los Angeles. See, you're married, you're a housewife, you like to sew and swim and all that stuff. Like to win some prizes? Okay, you already won something for just sitting down. Johnny Gilbert's going to tell you exactly what you can win right now. John.
Well, just for playing Make Me Laugh, but this, the lucky member of our studio audience, will receive Skyway's newest luggage for easier handling on stairs, curbs, and tight places. Upright luggage on wheels, outdoor, twist fabric and colors including blazer blue. Upright luggage on wheels furnished by Skyway. If our celebrity should last longer than 1 minute, we will add Frederick room air conditioners. Quality built, dependable, and energy efficient, put together better to last for years and save you a lot of money, furnished by Frederick. If our celebrity lasts more than 2 minutes, we will also add a luxury week at the Hacienda Hotel in Las Vegas. Personal airport limousine service, ice fantasy review, gourmet dining in the charcoal room, continuous lounge entertainment furnished by the Hacienda Hotel. And if that isn't enough...
Great. Muriel, you all set? Okay. James, are you all set?
Well, I am, except that I hope Muriel doesn't need too much money because I'm a pussycat for these guys.
Okay, let's see how much of a pussycat you are. I'm going to turn you around and say, Rick Fidel. All right, James Doohan says, make me laugh. Come on.
How you doing there, Rick?
I'm a big fan of Star Trek. But you know what I'd like to see? I'd like to see the episode Gidget Goes Star Trek. You good? That'd be nice, wouldn't it?
Where's my bikini? We're on a crazy asteroid.
You know what, Jim? I just moved. You might have read that in Time magazine. I was living in a house, and now I'm renting an apartment so I can afford some tennis clothes. And, great, on the front of this apartment building, it said mature adults only. Isn't that great? Who else would look for an apartment? An immature adult?
I like to see a one-bedroom furnished. And it's got to be a quiet neighborhood because I take several naps a day. And I don't need a toilet because I make poop caca on the floor.
I gotta get her some money.
I moved anyway, and first guy to come to visit was my father. And my father's great because he's a tough guy. He's really tough. I mean, he smokes in bed face down.
Here we go, James. Who's down? James, do it.
Have you ever seen one of these before? This is an IUD for elephants. Maybe you can tell me, how come whenever aliens are portrayed coming down from a different planet, they're always so much more intelligent than us? How come we never see this scene? The spaceship lands, the creatures get off, we run up. We're from Earth. Which planet are you from? Yeah, I tell you, what's this imitation mayonnaise? What does it do, an impression of ketchup? Coming to a theater near you. Never before has terror gripped the screen as midgets on dinghies across the nation invade bathrooms in The Incredible Tidy Bowl Man. Let him into your bathroom, your head will never be the same. But you know, a lot of times you'll be walking down the street and there'll be a...
Okay, James. Here we are, terrific. One more to go. Johnny Doc, James Doohan. Come Muriel.
Hi, James.
How you doing, Johnny?
Oh, that's got to be your real name, right? I mean,
Yeah.
You didn't change your name like some people change their names. It's obvious.
Yeah.
Johnny Dark. Johnny Dark, of course, is not my real name. Johnny Dark is what they call a stage name. My real name is Danny Dark. My real name is Doohan Giuseppe Collet. Collet is a Greek name. It's my father's name. My father is a wandering, wonderful Greek. I never met the man. When I was born, my father was thrilled. He came to the hospital, took one look at me and said, "I'll be back. I'll be back." My father believed in the marriage vows to death do us part. When he heard Roosevelt died, he split.
All right, Johnny. Thank you. All right, James, you got this. Got him, John. All right, Muriel, you just want some super prizes. Johnny Gilbert, tell her exactly what they are. Thank you very much. James, thanks for being on Make Me Laugh. Ladies and gentlemen, James Doohan. We'll be back in a moment.